Hello everyone. My name is Roman. I am glad to see you on my channel. Today we are going to analyze a neural network with you that allows us to translate videos into our native language. What kind of neural network is this? See this video. Let's go. I think that each of you is faced with such a situation when he went to some YouTuber, wanted to watch a video, but it was in English. There is an extension. It can help us in this and translate us into, in my case, Russian. So, we go to YouTube, open any blogger, in my case it will be Sheva Selman, one of the last videos, and here he speaks English. And then when I hover the cursor, I have a die to translate the video. I press, it lights up blue, and I press play. And today we have a long-awaited tour of work. And he automatically translates us into Russian. Then we can, thanks to this neural network, we can choose any language that suits us, or the blogger he speaks into the language we want to translate. There are only 3 available: Russian, English, and Kazakh. We can turn on the subtitles. In my case they are turned off, and also make the video volume. There is like a voiceover. This is the volume of the video at 15%. It is in English. We can turn it off altogether and make the translation volume 100% into the language that we have chosen. I think that each of you already wanted to know how it is done. Everything is really very simple, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Follow the link. The link, of course, I attached in the description. Then we go to the GitHub link and scroll down, and we have a whole instruction on how to install. It's very simple, you just need 2 points. There are actually 3 of them. The first is to install the Tampermonkey plugin. We go in, select the browser in which we are located, or we want to view the video, scroll down, and select the temperature of the monkey to go to the store. In my case, this plugin is already installed. Then we return. The second point is to install the script. It's very simple. We go to install the script, click, and a window opens for us, where in your case, it will be written to install it. In my case, it will reinstall. After it is installed, we close the browser and open it again. Go to YouTube, launch the video, click Translate Video. So the first thing we're going to talk about is my desk. Look how stylish it is. This is a table from Rove concept, Ein's model. And everything works. How do we find this plugin in our browser? In my case, it's in Chrome. Extension plugin. Click on the Tampermonkey, and we can see this plugin. It's on. You can also add your own scripts, till it's to this plugin, and also go to the control panel. In the control panel, we can see which scripts are installed, and also can see for each script, on which sites and resources it can work. I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, or have any suggestions, write in the comments. I will be happy to answer everyone. If it was useful, put likes, subscribe to this channel, and see new videos. Bye.